Hello, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to divide numbers, and we'll also look very briefly at how to find remainders of numbers when we're dividing. So our lesson objective is to divide numbers, and then our success criteria are: I can use the bus stop method to divide 2-digit numbers, although later on in the week we did divide larger numbers, maybe 3 or 4-digit numbers, but for now we'll stick to 2 digits. I can use my knowledge of multiplication to help my division, and very importantly, I can show my workings. So one of the first things we did, we talked with the partner, and we thought of other words that we can use to mean divide: share, chunk, give, and group. And earlier, right at the start of the year, one of the first videos that we did were finding corresponding division facts. So I have the multiplication fact here: 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. And we can flip this round to be 12 divided by 3 equals 4, or 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So you already know lots of corresponding division facts. And if you look down here, there's a few more examples. Hopefully you understand this by now. So we were going to be using the bus stop method to divide small numbers, or 2-digit numbers. So first thing we need to look at is the divisor, which is the number that goes outside of the bus stop. Okay, and this is the number that we are going to be dividing by. So we count in this number. We always count in the divisor. Underneath the bus stop, we have this number here, 24. So our question is going to be 24 divided by 2. And all we have to do for that one is count in twos until we reach 24. So for that we use our boxing hands. Okay, so hold up your boxing hands, and we're going to count in twos until we get to 24. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 10 twos are 20. Put them down, but I have to remember I've got 10. 11 twos, 22, and 12 twos are 24. So that means I put my answer on top of the bus stop. So 12 twos equals 24. We won't look at bigger numbers just now. Let's have a look at these ones. So 25 divided by 5. Our divisor goes outside of the bus stop, so that's 5. And our number to be divided goes inside the bus stop. Okay, and we count in 5s until we get to 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I've counted out 5, lots of 5, so it goes 5 on the top. Exactly the same for 27 divided by 3. Our divisor goes outside the bus stop, and our number to be divided goes inside the bus stop. So we count in 3s until we get to 27. So hold up your boxing hands. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 29. I've held up 9 fingers and I've counted 9 lots of 3. I'm sure you get this by now. Don't worry about those questions, we've already done those in class. Okay then, so to find remainders when dividing. Our success criteria: I can divide 2 and 3-digit numbers using the bus stop method. I can find remainders of division problems, and I can show my workings. But what happens if the number we are dividing does not go exactly with our divisor? What do we do then? So let's have a look at this one here. We've got 30 divided by 4. How many times can we count in 4s until we get to 30? So we're going to count in 4s using our boxing hands until we get to a number just under 30. But if we added one more 4, we would go over our number underneath the bus stop. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. I can't add another 4 because that would take me to 32. So I've got 7 fingers held up. Okay, and that takes me to 28. So I write 7 on top here. And then I think, how many more do I have left over to get from 28 to 30? So I have 29, 30. So these 2 fingers, well, this number 2 is my remainder. And I put that as an R for remainder, and 2 is the number left over.